Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of maintenance in our daily lives. So, let's dive right in. You know, maintenance is crucial in every aspect of our lives. Whether it's our health, relationships, or even our environment, taking care of the little things can make a huge difference in the long run. So, let's learn about some good habits that can help us maintain a healthy and happy life. First and foremost, let's keep it clean. Don't swear, don't fight, and don't flip. These are simple rules to follow that can help us maintain a positive and respectful environment. Next, let's be mindful of our surroundings. Reduce noises, respect your surroundings, and thank God for whatever you have at all times. This can help us appreciate the little things in life and maintain a positive outlook. Now, let's talk about our health. Don't play up with others' lives, because karma has a way of coming back to us. Have faith in your abilities and take smaller steps to improve every day. Appreciate your efforts, even if you don't succeed, because at least you've given it a try. Finally, let's focus on our personal growth. Do something else that is suitable for your needs, and don't play up with others' lives. Remember, what goes around comes around. In conclusion, maintenance is key to a happy and healthy life. By following these simple rules, we can maintain a positive and respectful environment, appreciate the little things, and focus on our personal growth. So, let's all make an effort to maintain our lives and make the world a better place. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice. Until next time, take care and stay positive.